Today we have a real treat. We're going to get to paint this snowflake. And when we're done, we're going to turn this into an ornament. We're going to add different things to it, and we're going to add a string so that you can hang it from your tree. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be using watercolor, which means that I need water. So I'm going to dip my paintbrush in my water, and then I'm going to choose whichever color I want. I'm going to start with red here. And then I'm going to make, I'm going to get to paint my popsicle sticks however you want to paint them. It doesn't have to necessarily be any certain way. You can paint it with dots, or you could do stripes, or you could even paint it solid. I might need to go back and get more paint here. I see that. And there we go, I've got that painted. Now I'm going to switch colors, so I'm going to wash it off in the water, and then I'm going to choose a second color. I'm going to paint this. Then I can choose a third color by washing it off, getting that color, and painting the next stick. Notice that I'm painting across from it, very careful not to get it on that top one that I started painting. I'm going to get a little bit more paint and go back over this a second time so that it's a nice deep purple. And then I'll do this with one last color. I think I'm going to choose green. And these dry pretty quickly, but after I paint this side, I'm going to give it just about 45 seconds or so to dry. I might blow on it to help it dry. And then once it's good and dry, which mine isn't completely dry, I can see that's still shiny, but just for this video's purposes, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. So count about 45 and blow on it, and that'll make it dry. And then we will paint the back side. You can paint it the same way, or you can paint it differently. This time I think I want to have stripes on the top one. Okay. Once I'm finished, I will have a paper with my name on it or my chair number on it that I will put this on, and I'll set it to dry. But we're going to paint it just like this. Now I have both sides painted. There we go, both sides are painted. Looks good.